Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to log into your Otter.ai. For that, just open your Otter.ai app, and now what you need to do is tap on your account button that will be on your bottom right corner. Just tap on that, and then I'm already logged in, so I'll just log out from here. And now I'm in my login page. Now what I need to do is tap on any three, or you can continue with your email, and continuing with your Apple, Google or Microsoft will be a lot easier. So just select one of your platform, and after that you need to sign in from here, and scroll down, tap on accept button, and that is how you can log in, and that is how you can log into your Otter.ai. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.